Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Lead Stories, where we talk to our past alumni and also current students to find out how they're doing and also what they're up to these days. And today we have CJ. Hi CJ.
Hi, hello.
So CJ, tell us about what do you do and also your backstory.
Yeah, actually I'm a furniture retail business.
I see. So how do you end up working in the furniture industry? Is it something that you do since the start, or is it?
I do it since the start.
How many years so far?
I think that's more than 10 years.
Wow. So now you're looking to digitalize the whole your whole operations in a way.
Yes, I know we can get a lot of we can pay a lot of freelancer nowadays, but sometimes you need to do some of the little tweaks on the website or a little bit of changes. It's very hard to ask them to do all those minor changes. So that's why I look into web development courses to learn. Yeah, so then we're able to build the website ourselves.
I'm sure you can maintain your website and all those without the help of third party or any outsourced freelancers, as you mentioned. What was your biggest challenge?
Actually, when first I started, there's so many programs to learn, and there's a lot of different. I don't know where to start, and the program language is very hard, and you need to do a lot of training to get used to the programming.
I see. So that's your self-learning journey, kind of.
Yes.
The experience of that.
Yeah.
So that big challenge, how do you actually overcome that?
I do a lot of training. I keep doing and keep training and keep. When you do coding, you do a lot of mistakes. Actually, the whole training about programming is to learn to find the simple little mistake and to catch the error. Yeah, that's the most challenging part now. Yeah, there's also one part that you can improve.
So after going through this is like a bootcamp style where you only have a video and also your tutorials to do. So after going through the 30 days of it, what would you say you're different compared to when you first got started when you're doing your self-learning times?
The difference is one thing, I get to know people who are interested in programming. There's a group of people, and I think the very good benefit is Dr. Lau and his team. They do respond to our questions. That is I think it's the most important thing, because sometimes when we are still a new learner, we very easily get a lot of simple mistakes where Dr. Lau and his team are able to advise us.
Right. So it's more like a support that you need as a beginner learner kind of thing. Lastly, from everything that you actually went through, what is your best advice for individuals, especially from a non-tech background? I understand that you have a little bit background, but for those who have no background at all, what is your advice for them in web development?
I think the best is to before you really go to those kind of online video course, you have to go to a course that you have engagement with the teacher, the one who's teaching you, because when you're building a programming website and programming stuff, you got a lot of questions. So if you go to online courses, no one is going to answer your questions. So you have to go to a course that the teacher will talk to you. So you have questions, you can ask them. All
right. I think that is a very practical advice, especially when these days we have so many different courses, programs out there, and people will be overwhelmed, which to go for, and also which one will work for them, right? Thanks so much for your last few words, CJ, and also thank you for your time for this session. So those of you who are watching, thank you so much for your time also, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.